Today we are going to start lesson number 19, preposition, okay, which is there in the textbook on page number 73. So we will start with these examples. The pictures over here are given, as you can see in the textbook also of yours. See, mouse is given, a box is there, and this arrow shows the position of the mouse. So I'll read the words which are given over here into the box. Now in this first picture you can see the mouse is trying to go into the box. Okay, so here the position of the mouse is shown and the relation with the box. What is the position of the mouse and the box? Okay, it is showing over here. So that is into the box. The mouse is into the box. Now here you can see in this picture out of the box. Mouse is there but he is coming out of the box. This arrow shows you, indicates that it is coming out of the box. Now here you can see around the box. Yes, the mouse is going around the box. Here away from the box. Now here as you can see box is here, the mouse is very far. Yes, away, he is away from the box. Now here the mouse is coming towards the box. Here the past the box. The mouse is simply passing through the box and going somewhere. Okay. Now here onto the box. The mouse is onto, above. He is trying to go above, onto the box. Now here off the box. As you can see the arrow, yes, arrow is coming down, means the mouse is off the box. He is going to go off the box. Now here the arrow is showing, yes, so you can see the mouse is going to jump over the box. Yes, so over the box. Now here you can see under the wall. Now this is a wall, okay. Now the arrow is inside. The mouse is going under the wall, okay. From down beneath he is going, so it is under the wall. Now here through the pipe. You can see the arrow, children. The mouse is going, is supposed to go through the pipe. So through the pipe it is given. Across the bridge. Now the mouse, this is a bridge and the mouse is going. So across the bridge the mouse is going. So children, here you can see mouse and box. Yes, mouse and box are noun. Yes, the arrow shows the relation, the position between the mouse and the box. Okay, so children, preposition are the words which shows you the position of the noun with related to the other noun. Okay, so always do remember the words which shows you the position of the noun in the sentence, they are known as preposition. So let us see the definition of preposition first of all, which is there over here. A preposition shows a relationship between two things. Okay, so always do remember the preposition shows relation between a noun or a pronoun with the other thing. Okay, so it can show you the location also. Preposition can show you a location, that is on, under, in, at. It can show you the time, that is before, after, during, in, on, at. Even it can show direction, that is from, towards and to. Okay, so before the pictures which we have studied, the mouse and the box wala picture, so in that the highlighted word shows the position of one noun in relation to another. They are all preposition. So all these highlighted words which were given in the textbook, that is into, out of, around, away, towards, past, onto, off, over, then under, through, across, this all are the words of preposition. Okay, understood. Now we will read these sentences and let us emphasize on the highlighted words. Okay, here the words which are given in red handwriting, we have to see that. Okay, my birthday falls in January. Here in is the highlighted verb. Okay, birds often migrate in spring and autumn. I will meet you in the evening. The peon is at the door. The sun is over the head at noon. Sonu lives in Mumbai. John ran down the footpath. Ram is absent without leave. A tall man spoke to me. We walked along the river. The smith works with a hammer. The cat jumped off the chair. She is fond of music. I am sorry for you. Children, now in each of the above sentences, we notice that the highlighted verb is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show in which relation the person or thing denotes by the noun stands to something else. Means children, here you can see that the words, the preposition are placed before a noun, okay, and it shows the relationship or the position of the noun with the other. It shows you the location, time as well as the direction of the noun, okay. So such kind of words are known as preposition, okay. Always remember this. The noun shows the position or the relation of the other noun in the sentence are known as preposition, okay. So with these examples, I hope that you have understood it. So to make it more clear, we will do the exercises of this chapter so that you can understand the chapter very well, okay children. Children, let us start with the exercises of preposition. Exercise number 1, filling the blanks with suitable preposition. Okay, here we have to fill in the blanks with suitable preposition. So first one, do not go dash the river. So here we can write across the river. Okay, next sentence you see, I have 3 rupees dash my pocket. So we keep the money inside the pocket. Yes, so it is said to be in my pocket. I have 3 rupees in my pocket. Okay, see the next sentence. The bird is dash the tree. So bird sits on the tree. So the bird is on the tree. Next sentence. The parrot is dash the cage. So the parrot is in the cage. The parrot is in the cage. Now in the next page, few more sentences are there. They went dash the beach. So the answer will be on the beach. They went on the beach. They live dash Varanasi. They live in Varanasi. Okay. Next sentence. Who is waiting dash the door? Who is waiting at the door? Next sentence. This hammer is made dash iron. This hammer is made of iron. He came dash Ahmedabad. He came to Ahmedabad. The horse is dash the stable. The horse is in the stable. Put the box dash your head. Put the box on your head. Next sentence. I saw him dash my house. I saw him outside my house. Are you running dash the train? Are you running behind the train? The thief jumped dash the wall. The thief jumped over the wall. It is cool to sit dash the banyan tree. It is cool to sit under the banyan tree. Last sentence of this exercise. Jane saw a snake dash his foot near his foot. Okay, children, so we completed our exercise number 1. Let us see what is there in exercise number 2. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks with the preposition in the given list. Now, children, observe this picture very well. Whatever things are there, you just see this and keep this in your mind. Okay, then we will do the exercise. Okay, so have you observed everything? So let me turn the page. Now your exercise is given. We have to do this exercise. Okay. So let us begin the first sentence. Here words are given. We have to use these words and we have to fill in the blanks. Okay. The basket is that dash the chair. Now I'll show you one more time the picture. See. Can you see the basket? It is inside under the chair. So we can write the basket is under the chair. Next sentence, the chair is dash the door and the piano. So the chair is between. Yes, you can see in the picture. The chair is between the door and the piano. Next sentence, the plate and the bottle are dash the cupboard. The plate and bottle are in the cupboard. The socks and the shoes are dash the door. The socks and the shoes are behind the door. The clock is dash the piano, on the piano. It is on the piano. The cups are dash the table. The cups are on the table. The chair is dash the cupboard. The chair is dash the cupboard. It is in front of the cupboard. The piano is dash the cupboard. The piano is beside the cupboard. The bottle is dash the TV. The bottle is over the TV. So, like this you have to complete this exercise. You can see over here. Yes. Where is the bottle and the shoes and socks, the chair, the piano, everything. So according to this, I have completed this exercise. Okay, so you have to complete this exercise. Now, exercise number 3. Here also you have to fill in the blanks with suitable preposition. So let us begin with it. The program is dash channel 12 on. There are 2 candles dash the cake. Again answer will be on. The cinema hall is dash the church. We can write beside. There is a mouse dash the chair. Under the chair. I will write a letter dash my uncle. We can write to my uncle. They came dash a car in a car. Next sentence. I saw him dash the party at the party. There are eggs dash the basket in the basket. He lives dash the second floor on the second floor. And last sentence of this exercise. Ramya is dash Uma and Mary. You can write behind also, you can write between also. We will write between over here. Okay. So with this we completed exercise number 3 and we have come to an end of this chapter also. You have to complete these exercises in the textbook itself. Thank you.